I wanted to introduce my new and improved bullet liner. It clips in so that you have a bookmark. And take it out, and each side widthwise measures 4 centimeters, so you can have 6 evenly spaced boxes along for your weeklies. Or what you can do is line it up to whatever dot you want. You start at 0 and say I want 10 boxes. I'll go from 0 to 10. Now if I want to go across a certain number, I would line that up on my dot and say I want 5 boxes this way. Start at 0 and draw to 5. And then I can close it. This way. Some other features on it are a 1 centimeter square, a 1 centimeter circle, 1 centimeter triangle, a 1 centimeter pendant, and a 1 centimeter banner. Also is a 0.5 centimeter square, 0.5 centimeter circle, 0.5 centimeter triangle, and a 0.5 centimeter star. It also has a 0.4 centimeter square, 4 of them lined up for you. So if you're wanting to make quick bullet journal entries. And it also has a 0.4 centimeter circle and a 0.4 centimeter triangle. It also is broken up for you in divisions. You line it up, and I've got 38 lines. It'll give you where the half is between those. It also is color coded to make it into thirds. Here's your thirds, the 3, the pink 3, it also does 4s, breaks it up into 4s. It's color coded orange. 5s is color coded purple. 6 is color coded green. So we have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we've got 7s, which is color coded a teal color. So you actually, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And that's my new bullet liner.